Secrets of the Chilean Abyss. When the ocean reveals new worlds. Imagine this. You are descending into the abyss, to a place where sunlight never reaches, where eternal darkness reigns and pressure is unimaginable. And suddenly, before your eyes unfolds, a scene you might only expect in the boldest fantasies, glowing fields of methane seeps, canyons stretching endlessly into the void, and most importantly, life forms humanity never even suspected existed. This is not the plot of a sci-fi movie. It's recent reality, the result of an unprecedented scientific expedition off the coast of Chile, organized by the Schmidt Ocean Institute. A portal to the unknown, a discovery that changes everything. Recently, the world was stirred by news that captured the minds of scientists, ecologists, and anyone fascinated by the mysteries of our planet. During an expedition aboard the research vessel Falkor, 2, approximately 60 potentially new marine species were discovered off the coast of Chile. This is no ordinary find. It's a true breakthrough that radically changes our understanding of biodiversity and hidden corners of the global ocean. The scale of this discovery is truly impressive. Over 40 days of relentless work, penetrating depths of up to 500 meters, an international team of scientists explored underwater mountains and canyons, now known as the home of incredible life forms, deep sea landscapes, gardens of light in the kingdom of darkness. Picture a scene unfolding before your eyes like scenes from the most captivating nature documentary. A remotely operated vehicle, ROV, equipped with advanced cameras, glides slowly above the ocean floor, plunging into the very heart of deep-sea ecosystems. Before it appear mesmerizing landscapes, we see vast fields of hydrothermal vents, spewing hot, mineral-rich water from the Earth's depths. Around these underwater volcanoes thrive unique communities of organisms that do not rely on sunlight for survival. Instead, they draw energy through chemosynthesis, chemical reactions fueled by those same minerals. They create their own glowing gardens in the darkness, teeming with life. Further along the route lie giant underwater canyons. These grand geological structures, carved over centuries by powerful currents, resemble real gorges plunging into infinity with vertical walls and hidden niches. In these canyons, where no one seemed able to reach, researchers found astonishing diversity. From bizarre coral forests, shimmering in all shades of the rainbow under the lights, to dense sponge fields resembling soft carpets covering the seabed. Each dive revealed new, breathtaking species, creating the feeling that we have landed on another planet. Encounters with the unseen, visions from the depths. And here they are, the main characters of this story. Newly discovered species. We won't delve into complex scientific classifications, but let's try to imagine them visually. Picture a deep-sea squid whose semi-transparent tentacles are covered in bioluminescent dots, creating a hypnotic glow in the pitch-black darkness, as if wearing constellations on its body. Or consider the mysterious anglerfish, with a huge glowing lantern on its head, luring prey directly into its toothless maw. Among the potential discoveries are several sponge species, some with curious, branching shapes resembling fantastic trees or intricate architectural structures. Others are flat and cling tightly to rocks, blending into their surroundings. Researchers also observed unusual sea urchins covered in long, thin spines, like fuzzy balls slowly gliding across the seafloor. New coral species drew particular attention. Imagine delicate, fragile structures colored in soft pastels, pinks, blues, purples, forming amazing gardens in the dark ocean depths. Some turned out to be glass sponges, whose skeletons consist of silica, giving them an almost transparent, ghostly appearance. Scientists also encountered numerous invertebrates, tiny crustaceans slowly crawling across the seafloor, mysterious worms burrowing into sedimentary rock, and peculiar jellyfish whose bodies, made mostly of water, pulse rhythmically with the underwater currents. Why this matters. Echoes of discovery for the future of the ocean. This discovery is more than just adding new names to biology textbooks. It carries immense significance for science, ecology, and most importantly, for preserving our oceans. First, every new species represents a unique part of a complex ecosystem. Understanding who lives in these depths, how they interact, and what role they play in the food chain is key to building a full picture of life on Earth. Such knowledge helps us better understand evolutionary processes, adaptation to extreme conditions, and the resilience of deep-sea ecosystems. Second, such discoveries emphasize how little we still know about our own planet. The deep ocean remains one of the least explored places on Earth. Each expedition like this is a step toward uncovering its countless secrets. Third, and perhaps most crucially, these findings serve as a powerful reminder of the need to protect these fragile and not yet fully understood worlds. Deep-sea ecosystems are extremely vulnerable to human impact, from climate change to pollution and deep-sea mining. The more we learn about the biodiversity of these regions, the stronger the arguments become for their preservation. This discovery gives us additional grounds for establishing marine protected areas and tightening environmental laws. Technology at the service of science. Humanity's eyes and hands in the abyss. All these stunning discoveries became possible thanks to the synergy of cutting-edge technology and human ingenuity. At the heart of the expedition was the research vessel Falkor, 2, operated by the Schmidt Ocean Institute and equipped with state-of-the-art instruments. However, the true hero of deep-sea exploration was the remotely operated vehicle, ROV, Subastian. This robotic submersible, acting like an extension of the scientist's eyes and hands, is capable of diving to incredible depths, capturing high-quality video and images, and collecting biological and geological samples with remarkable precision. Imagine Subastian, equipped with powerful floodlights piercing the darkness, and manipulators delicate enough to handle even the most fragile specimens, transmitting real-time footage to screens in the ship's onboard laboratory. Scientists on the surface can watch every movement of the robot, guide its actions, and make decisions about which samples to collect, as if they themselves were on the ocean floor. This offers unprecedented opportunities for studying and understanding these hard-to-reach environments. This is only the beginning, a glimpse into the future. The reaction of scientists to this discovery was unanimous. Awe and realization of the vast potential still waiting to be uncovered. Dr. Javier Celes, the lead scientist of the expedition, emphasized, "This is only the beginning. We have no idea how many more amazing life forms the ocean is hiding. Every dive brings new discoveries, forcing us to rethink our knowledge of life on Earth." Ecologists also welcome these findings, seeing in them a strong incentive to strengthen conservation efforts. The more we know, the better we can protect. Say representatives of environmental organizations, each new species is a reason to pay more attention to preserving unique marine ecosystems. These 60 potentially new species are merely the tip of the iceberg. The ocean continues to keep its secrets, and each new expedition, each dive, brings us closer to solving them. Imagine how many astonishing, fantastic creatures await their turn to be discovered and studied. We stand at the threshold of a new era in deep-sea exploration, an era that promises to rewrite biology textbooks and reveal just how rich and diverse life is on our planet. And who knows what incredible discoveries await us ahead. In these unexplored, yet so enticing depths,